Riwruok mar Azimio la umoja medo seyo mokalo piny owacho kuom medo suru piny maru ma ok gidewo midhiero ma jo Kenya kaloe kane giwuoyo e kaunti ma Kisii gi jofwambo weche. Jatend Wiper Migosi Kalonzo Musyoka mar DAP-K malo ne mokalo kama piny Kenya chomo kaluwore kod ng'anyo mar lakteche makoro hinyo jopiny. Sechego bende ne gihuma nono kod weche badhi kaachiel kod weche mag mbolea ma ok opwodhi ma ok nyal konyo jopur.
We have to caution our fellow citizens against the excesses of this Kenya Kwanza regime. Determined, and they look so determined. We even see the headline news is that trying to have a plan for raising 16 trillion by adding more taxes. First of all, they are beginning, the KRA people are saying now from the 19th of March, leo tarehe ngapi? Kwanza 3 days, and they are giving only a lead time, unapatiwa 9 days to comply. Employer na remit 1.5% na kila mtu 1.5%. Yani ni mupende musipende kind of mentality.
This is something that we must ask ourselves. Where did the rain start beating us? In agriculture, we have been told of the success of the subsidized fertilizer. But what we have not been told, that part of that subsidized fertilizer was a donation from Russia. So there's enough food shortage. And up to now has not been revealed how much was received from Russia, who are the beneficiaries. And now we're hearing of fertilizer that is substandard. This is not a rumor. KEBS, we are going to fight to clean Kenya of this Kenya Kwanza mess.
Oganda jo Kenya maromo 1,026 osewito ngimagi e masira mag apaya.